Good morning students, this is your maths class, and in the last class we are done up to question number 2, okay, of your 5th chapter on page number 53. Now in this question number 3, okay, you may find these sums a bit confusing, okay, and I'll explain it to you, okay. So the first one is easy. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0 itself. Here 23 into 0, they have written 23 into 0, which is 0. 46 into 10, okay, anything multiplied by 10 or 100, okay, or 1000, whatever 0 is there, you add up to this number. Like 46 into 10 will be 460, okay. Now anything multiplied by 1, okay, so over here it's 149 into 1 will be the number itself, 149, okay. Now the confusing part, here it's written 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 1 2 3 4 5, okay. They have written 5 threes over here. Now multiplication, why you have to learn multiplication, you know over here. Instead of adding all these trees, you multiply 3 into 5. How much? 3 into 5 is 15. You add up, you look for yourself. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. You see, the answer is same. Now here they have asked, here is equal to 2 boxes are there. Again there is a long box of, here you will write 15, okay. Now what into what will be 15? You keep the numbers here. What is here? What is repeated here? 3, okay. Now how many times has been it repeated? 5. You write over here is equal to 15. Now in a similar way, here they have asked 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24, okay. Now how many times will you add 6? Sorry, here I have written 26, 24. Now how many times if you add 6 will you get 24? 4 times, okay. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. 0 into 0 again will be 0 itself, okay. 25 into 4, 25 4 times, okay, will be 100, okay. Now here's a small word problem, okay. Question number 4. In question number 4, a florist sells 125 flowers in a day, okay. He sells 125 flowers in a day. How many flowers does he sells in 3 days? So in 3 days he will sell 125 plus 125 plus 125, okay. He sells 125 in a day, okay. So instead of adding 125 3 times, you write 125 he sells in a day, okay. So they are asking to search for the answer, how many flowers does he sell in 3 days. So you multiply 125 by 3. 5 3s are 15, okay. 1 comes up over here. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3, okay. He sells 375 flowers in 3 days, okay. If you add 125 3 times also, you will get the same answer, okay. Now in the next page, which is page number 54, okay, there are multiplication tables for 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I think up to now you must have memorized till tables till 10. Okay, now you have to learn tables from 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, in fact, when I had asked you in earlier classes in one of the oral tests, some of you were not able to answer multiplication of 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 also. Okay, so please learn your tables. Okay, it is very useful in mathematics. Okay, if you know your tables. Okay, let's learn some terms related to multiplication. So consider 8 into 7 is equal to 56. Okay, 8 7s are 56. Here 8 is called multiplicand. Okay, 8 is called multiplicand. 7 is called the multiplier. You are multiplying 8 by 7, so 7 is called the multiplier and 56 is called the product. The answer that you get is called the product. Okay, in other words, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number which is to be multiplied, okay, is called the multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. Okay, the result of multiplication is called the product. Okay, in multiplication, the numbers which are multiplied together to give the product are called factors. Okay, of that product. Now 54 is the product. Now if you ask according to this sum, okay, what is the factor of 54? 9 and 6 is the factors of 54. Okay, now here they have asked write the factors of 24. Whatever number you get with whatever number you multiply and get the answer 24, those are the products of 24. Such as here, for an example, 12 into 2 is equal to 24. Okay, now 12 and 2 are the factors of 24. Okay, similarly there are other numbers also by which you get 24 as the answer. So those are the factors. Okay, now here they have said fill in the blanks. Okay, and I think you can do this. Okay, you can relate to the table above here, and for 9, 3, 4, if you know that know your tables, you can write the answers. Okay, or even if you don't know the answers, such as for 15 into 9, okay, you just multiply 15 by 9 in your rough copy. Okay, and you get the answer. Just write the answers for this exercise. Okay, which is exercise 5.1. now 5.11 I have asked you to do, okay, by yourself. Now for 2, here you can see multiplicand, okay, 7, multiplier 5, means you are multiplying 7 by 5. Multiplication will be 7 into 5, which will be 35. Product will be 35. Now here in the second question they have given multiplication. Okay, so you have to write multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, here multiplicand will be 9 and multiplier will be 6. Okay, now what will be the answer? 9 6 are 54. The product will be 54. Okay, similarly you are going to fill up this table. Okay, now I am giving you less work today because you have to submit your book and copy, maths book and copy in your school. So we will be doing up to here. Okay, in the next class we will be continuing with this chapter. Okay, thank you.